Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share some of the reasons why kids find word problems difficult and some of the ways on how we can help them. This is based on my years of experience in teaching. I was able to find 3 common problems bakit nahihirapan at natatakot ang mga bata sa word problem. First, the difficulty in reading and understanding the text. A lot of kids find math word problems difficult to comprehend. Because aside from the difficulty of finding the connections of the word problem, it is also hard for them to understand some of the words. Because mainly, English is not our first language. May mga bata na nahihirapang intindihin yung mga tanong at dahil na rin dito, hindi nila masagutan na maayos. If you notice this with your kids, what you could do is to let them read the word problem again and encourage them to translate it in their own language or dialect. Pwede nilang isalin ito sa Tagalog, Ilocano o kung anong dialect na meron kayo. Sa ganitong paraan, makakatulong na maintindihan nila ang given word problem. Our kids at times are in a hurry to read the word problem that they don't read back and simply look for clue words to solve. For example, in this given problem, there are kids na mabilis sumagot that they will say it's addition even before I ask what they need to do. Pag tinanong ko naman na why, it's because of the word more. Even if you look closely in this problem, more is not used as an addition. Now, what can we do to help our kids when they read in a hurry and simply look for clue words? First, tell them to read again and try to visualize the problem. They can draw. They can even draw the girls and boys to visually understand. Or they can even use bar models or model method, which is a problem-solving tool to help kids see the relationship between and among the given words and numbers in a given problem. Like with the question, how much more? If you will draw this visually, they will understand we are not finding the sum, but the difference. There will be even instances that more or even the word less is used differently. It's better not to rely on clue words, but to understand how that word was used in the given problem. Next, aside from kids are having difficulty in reading and understanding text, I've also noticed that they have a lack of deeper understanding of the 4 fundamental operations in math. Resulting to, yes, guessing. I see this often when I ask, what do we need to do to solve this problem? They will immediately tell me, addition. And if I say, no, sasabihin naman nila, Ma'am, subtraction. Minsan pa nga, lahat na ng operation bago pa makuha yung tamang sagot. This is not only the case with younger kids, but also I even get to see this with my students who are in grade 5 and even in grade 6. Now, what to do if you notice this with your kids, even older kids, like the ones who are already in grade 5 and 6? For the younger kids, start with concrete materials in introducing the 4 fundamental operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then move towards pictorial before moving lastly to abstract. This is a very good and effective way of building their deeper understanding of the meaning of the 4 fundamental operations. This is based on the CPA approach, concrete, pictorial, and abstract, that is used as a method of teaching math. This is one of the methodology of Singapore math which I have been using for 13 years now. It is based on Jerome Bruner's theory of representation. That makes using bar model as an effective problem-solving tool. For the older kids, they need to go back and relearn the 4 fundamental operations, and they can even use the bar modeling to help them visualize the problem. Specifically, in this stage, they will encounter more challenging problems. They can also list down important words and numbers and then plan what they need to do in order to solve a given problem. It is never too young or too late to become good problem solvers. You only need dedication and believe in yourself that you can. Now, the last, when our children starts telling us they don't like math, it's hard, it's difficult, they're afraid, Problem solving makes your lives complicated and it's too much. Now what can you do? First, they just need your tender loving care. Your kids, they need to know that you will never give up on them and you will continue to encourage them that surely with that, it will build their self-confidence and will believe in themselves that truly they can. Make math fun. Have games that involves problem solving. Enjoying problem solving will make math easy. I hope this helps. Thank you for taking time again to watch our video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or even questions, just send us a message to our link. And thank you once again.